Hi everyone, seeing not registered on network on US Mobile. Don't stress, in this video, we will guide you through simple steps to fix the issue and reconnect. Let's jump in. Loose, damaged, or improperly inserted SIM card can disrupt connectivity. Being in areas with a weak or a no signal reception can lead to service loss. Temporary outages or maintenance by the network provider can affect service availability. Bugs in the device's operating system can interfere with network connectivity. Fix 1. Turn on or off airplane mode. Turning off or on airplane mode will refresh the network connection and resolve any issues. Swipe down the quick settings, turn off airplane mode, wait for 2 seconds and turn it on. Fix 2. Check coverage. You might be in the out of network areas. Make sure you have a good coverage for successful activation. Visit the US mobile coverage map on their website. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. Enter the zip code or address or drag the mouse point to your location and zoom in to see the coverage. Fix 3. Restart your device. Restarting an Android or iOS device can clear its memory, fix minor issues like crashing apps, and provide a quick solution to various problems. Restarting an Android device. Press and hold the power button until the power menu appears. Tap on Restart or Reboot. If you don't see this option, you may need to select Power Off and then turn it back on by pressing the power button again. Restarting iOS. Press and hold the volume down button and the slide button simultaneously until the power off slider appears. Drag the slider to turn off the device. Press and hold the slide button again until you see the Apple logo to turn it back on. Reset network settings. Resetting network settings can fix issues related to network connections and signal problem. On iOS, iPhone or iPad, go to settings, then general, then transfer or reset iPhone. Reset network settings, enter a passcode if prompted. Then confirm by tapping reset network settings again. Android, open settings, then go to system reset options, reset Wi Fi, mobile, and Bluetooth. It removes all saved network and paired devices, which can help eliminate conflict or error that may be causing connectivity problems. Fix 6. Automatic network selection. Manually selecting the US mobile support network on iOS and Android can help resolve no service issues by allowing your device to connect to the strongest available network. US Mobile supports three networks: RAP, 5G, Verizon, Darkstar, T-Mobile, and Lightspeed AT&T, allowing users to select the best option based on their location and needs. Steps to manually select network on Android. Open the Settings app, go to Connection or a Network and Internet, tap on Mobile Networks or a Cellular Network, select Network Operator, turn off Automatic Selection, and choose your desired network from the list. Steps to manually select network on iOS. Open the Settings app, tap on Mobile Data, select Network Selection, turn off Automatic Network Selection, choose your preferred network from the list. Pick 6. Check the SIM. This process can refresh the device's network settings, allowing it to reestablish a connection to the cellular network. Additionally, it helps in troubleshooting problems related to the SIM card itself, such as misalignment or a dirt accumulation. Power off your device and carefully remove the SIM card. Using a SIM eject tool, reinsert the SIM card in the correct orientation to ensure a proper connection with the network. Power your device back on to refresh the network settings and restore service. Fix 8. Update device operating system. And update OS can help the device better recognize and connect to available networks, reducing the likelihood of encountering service interruptions. Simple steps to update operating system on iOS: tap on Settings app, select General, tap on Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install and follow the prompts. Simple steps to update operating system on Android: tap on the Settings app, scroll down and select System or About Phone, then tap on System Update. Tap on Check for Updates. If an update is available, follow the prompts to download and install it. Contact support. There might be an issue with your US mobile account. Contact customer support via chat and request to check the issue. Reach out to US Mobile Customer Service through chat. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. Email help@usmobile.com or by calling 611 or 878 205 0088.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.